Hey guys, I'm gonna make a quick DIY on how to get better audio recordings by using acoustic foam boards. I'm gonna make some quick foam boards out of this 3 to 4 inch acoustic foam, or if you buy a twin mattress foam, it works too. So this is, or egg carts if you want, or crates if you have that many. But I've been using it for my doors because due to this coronavirus and COVID-19, I need to stay home more, so I'm trying to block out sound from the other room. So I place this on my door as well as on my walls as well to absorb more sound from the outside and sound bouncing on the inside in the room. So you're gonna need acoustic foam. I actually just used a twin size mattress topper that I got from Amazon for like, I think 30 bucks. But you can also get it online. You need some command tape. You need also some Coroplast board or some other board, because I plan to remove this and move this around, as well as a hot glue gun so that you could glue the foam to the board. If your board already comes with adhesive, don't worry about it. Rubbing alcohol to clean the board as well as the surface you're going to mount it onto a wall with, as well as a microfiber cloth just to wipe off any dust or anything off of it. So I basically cut the twin size or full size mattress topper to fit the Coroplast board, and I used hot glue to basically glue it together, and it was pretty quick, just a few squirts, and put it together so it's aligned. But I cut the foam topper so that it was about the same size as the Coroplast. I used the command release adhesive so that basically I could remove this. It's kind of like Velcro. If you have Velcro, use that too, but I want to remove this off the wall. I don't want to permanently damage the wall or paint, so I use this command stuff so that I can remove it off the wall later after this coronavirus is over. I don't want to put it on my wall, but this is how it looks. I basically covered one of the walls with it, and it basically deadens the sound as well as the curtains I put up. But at the same time, you can see the Coroplast is basically what's hanging on, so it's not ripping any foam, so I don't have any foam self-adhesive on it. Now you could buy this foam or acoustic foam online on Amazon for like around like $20 or $30 for 12 square feet of it. That's fine, but I like these 4 or 5 inch ones because they really absorb a lot of sound, or just buy the acoustic foam. It's a lot simpler. So here's a quick look. I use a lot of heavy curtains to basically block out. There's 2 layers of curtains there to block out sound from that wall. I also have it on the door as well. So basically 2 of these things basically makes this door a lot more thicker and absorbs the sound from my side as well as from their side. If I open the door real fast, you can see that I have 2. I'm gonna probably put more on the other door, but on the other side of the door, basically I have another set of this. It's like I said, these are like 2 feet by 3 feet Coroplast boards. Now I could actually remove these boards, but see that this is a 3-inch thick mattress topper that they sell. They had on Amazon. I'll leave the links below for the parts I used, but you could just totally buy the regular acoustic foam from Amazon, and that's like 20 or 30 bucks for 12 square feet. That's more than enough that you need. But this, I like this better because it's longer. It actually stops a lot more of the sound coming in from the other room or in the hallway. But it does look kind of weird and kind of interesting. Let's take this thing off real fast. I just Velcroed just the back. So you use Velcro, you can use that command tape, but on the doors and stuff I actually use the command tape, but on the side of the board I use Velcro, the soft side of Velcro, so it actually sticks on. All it needs is it hangs on like that. It's pretty lightweight, so it's only less than like a pound or 2, so it holds it pretty well. And I can always remove that command tape later so it doesn't mar the paint or anything else like that. I hate the acoustic foam that's self-adhesive. I try not to use that because it will leave like foam on your wall. I'm not interested in that. Or if you spray adhesive on your wall, you can ruin the wall. So I prefer this way so I can take it off. Again, I'm gonna put more acoustic foam everywhere else. I also have my closets and stuff blocking the other wall, so it isolates the sound. And this stuff does feel pretty cool, and it's soft. So anyways, that's really about it, guys. I hope this DIY helps you. Give me some thumbs ups or leave some comments below on how you isolate your sound from your other rooms when you're making recordings and stuff. Stay tuned for more DIYs as well as product reviews and other fun stuff from my channel. So please like, subscribe, leave some comments below, click the bell button for more notifications, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a good one. Happy DIYing. See you next time. Bye bye.